guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just about to make an amazing sandwich, so I thought why not film it and show it you guys how I make it. It's an amazing and a very easy hummus, sourdough bread, mushroom. It's a hummus sandwich, let's just put it like that, and I'm gonna make it quickly and show you guys how I make it. First up, I'm just gonna take a few mushrooms and slice them up, and also a few tomatoes. You can also take cherry tomatoes, but I want to be taking like the bigger tomatoes, it makes it easier. So first up in my pan, I'm just gonna pour some olive oil and saute our mushrooms. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some salt in there and also some black pepper for the flavor. Cover that up and let it cook. And then on a flat pan, I am just gonna be toasting my sourdough breads a little bit. On the same pan where our mushrooms are cooking, I am also gonna saute my tomatoes, and same thing for the tomatoes. We go ahead and put a little bit of salt on them, a bit of oregano on my tomatoes, just a little bit, and also a little bit of chili flakes. Okay, that's too much. The reason why I'm slicing up and putting whole tomatoes is because I'm making a closed sandwich, so it just makes it easier with the whole tomatoes. But if I was to make an open hummus toast, I would definitely be putting in some cherry tomatoes. Those are yum. Okay, I'm done with my prep work. I just forgot to cut some cucumbers, so now I'm gonna cut them into some thin slices, and then we are ready to assemble a sandwich. All of my prep work is done. Time to assemble and eat the sandwich. It's gonna be so yum. Perfection. Then you just take your hummus, paint a good layer of it on your bread. I'm gonna put it on both sides of the bread, and I'm gonna be generous with it. That's our toast with the hummus on. First, I'm gonna put some cucumbers onto my toast, and then I'm gonna put some of the tomatoes. Yummy. And then I'll put some mushrooms. I think that's plenty. For some fun, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some sliced jalapenos. Then we close up the sandwich. So basically this is what your sandwich is gonna look like. It's got some tomatoes, hummus, cucumbers, jalapenos, and what else did we put? Mushrooms. Alright, shall we do a taste test? It's so good. This sandwich is so easy to make, it's so delicious, it's so yummy, and if I could make it, anyone else in the world can. And if you want to try out this recipe if you're looking for good healthy food options. It's really quick and easy to make. And yes, I'm gonna go enjoy my sandwich, probably watch something, and I'll see you until the next time. But make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a like. Bye.